हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे एमएस वर्ड्स और एक्सेस के टॉप 30 कंप्यूटर्स एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन विच व्यूज हेडर्स एंड फोल्डर्स आर विजिबल? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, प्रिंट लेआउट व्यू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग unwanted parts of an image is called? Right answer is options B, cropping. Next question, to apply center's alignment to a paragraph, we can press. Right answer is options D, Ctrl plus E. Next question, text styling features of MS Word is. Right answer is options A, word art. Next question, which items are placed at the end of a document? Right answer is option C, EndNote. Next question, to change line height to 1.5, we use shortcut key. Right answer is options D, Ctrl plus 5. Next question, a number of letters that appears little above the normal text is called. Right answer is options A, superscript. Next question, a number of letters that appears little below to the normal text is called. Right answer is options B, subscript. Next question, we can insert a page numbers at. Right answer is option C, both A and B part. Next question, which one can be used as watermark in a Word document? Right answer is option C, both A and B part. Next question, which feature starts a new line when our words or sentence reach a border? Right answer is options A, text wrapping. Next question, we can remove or hide borders of a shapes by selecting. Right answer is options B, no outline. Next question, we can change the thickness of a line form. Right answer is options D, line style. Next question, which item is printed at the bottoms of each page? Right answer is option C, footer. Next question, colors and patterns used to fill a chosen shapes is called. Right answer is options B, fill style. Next question, where footnotes appears in a document? Right answer is options B, bottoms of a page. Next question, what is the intersections of a columns and a row on a worksheet called? Right answer is options D, cell. Next question, what types of a chart is useful for comparing values or categorize? Right answer is options B, column chart. Next question, Which functions in Excel tells how many numerics entries are there? Right answer is options B, count. Next question. Which one is not a function in MS Excel? Right answer is options D, AVG, average. Next question. Functions in MS Excel must beings with dash dash. Right answer is options B, an equal sign. Next question. Which functions in Excel checks whether conditions is true or not? Right answer is options D, if. Next question. In Excel's columns are labels as dash dash. Right answer is options A, B, C, extra. Next question. What do you use to create a chart? Right answer is options D. Next question. What types of chart is good for single series of data? Right answer is option C, pie chart. Next question. The basis units of a worksheet into which you enter data in Excel is called a. Right answer is options A, cell. Next question. How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel file? Right answer is options B, 3. Next question. Microsoft Word is dash dash software. Right answer is options A, application. Next question. Which of the following software is used for making resume? Right answer is options B, MS Word. Thank you.